Seriously, guys, that's how they do legit checks? Okay. If that's how they do legit checks, we got a problem. What is good, YouTube? Is Liam from Sneaker Klinic. Thank you. What is good, YouTube? Is Liam from Sneaker Klinic. Did I say that right? Welcome to our channel. I have a lot of colors today. I'm not wearing black. I don't want to wear black anymore. I got a lot of goofiness. Oh man, we're gonna do a quick sneaker review. I think you guys already know what we got. This is the Air Jordan 12s Taxis 2021. What? Royalties. Why is it? It's not royalties. White, metallic, gold, black. It's taxis, right? My film crew, they always want to mess with my head. This is the Air Jordan 12 Retro Taxis. God, YouTube, you tell me, is this? The taxis don't have the gold hits here. The taxis also don't have the quilted collar lining. Air Jordan 12 royalties. Okay, so I just fucked up. Take a look at the top of the box. Oh, they actually changed this too. It's totally different. It now says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Woo, okay. And the tag, there you go. Wow, wow, wow. Let's put this aside. By the way, I already removed the shoe trees. I smelled it, I tasted it. It tastes good from China. I actually like the fact that it comes with extra white laces, mismatched. I'm gonna definitely do that. I don't know when I'm gonna rock this. The guys doing the legit checks, they do it too fast. I don't even know what the hell they're looking at. They're just doing the smell test. What shot? Check it out. Look at that. I actually like this better than the original taxi colorway. If they actually plan to do a retro of the taxis, I am actually okay if they do the quilted interior, but anything else, keep it OG. This is actually kind of sick. I love the old school herringbone traction carbon fiber. By the way, guys, what was that guy doing? Why was he sliding his finger like he was checking the texture of the carbon fiber? Well, you know, fakes nowadays, they actually use real carbon fiber anyways. And by the way, there's a thin layer of glue right over the top of the plate. So, what was he doing like this? He was checking the heel tab to make sure it's legit. Oh my God, 1996, 1997, that's when MJ wore the original. Oh my God, Air Jordan 12s. Woohoo, the fake lizard print mudguard. You got this durable feel of a boot. Back in the days, from a woman's boot, that's why it looks like a freaking boot. Personally, for me, I like these for casual wear. I don't actually like it for ball because they feel a little bit high, even though there is zoomer inside, but they are definitely durable. Wow, I just love the fact that they use the fake synthetic leather on the freaking tongue. You got soft, cheap leather for the rest of the shoes. Why don't you just make the tongue real freaking leather? But I'm not complaining. Jordan brand, they have to cut down on certain areas because they probably want to save for the actual Air Jordan 12 taxis retro when it does come out, and hopefully they use softer leather. I'm gonna do a legit test by sliding my finger inside as quickly as possible to feel the quilted interior. Oh man, I just want to rub this all over my face. Let me know your thoughts. The fact that this is not considered a premium model, but it does feel premium. The gold, I love gold. This execution, oh man, you know what? I'm sorry. Oh my God. I gotta double smell test this. You know what those guys don't do? They never smell the shoe tree. They never smell the box. They never legit check the freaking paper. I mean, this looks like it's the right dimensions. I'm a little concerned though. There's no quality control stamp anywhere or a sticker. I don't know. Now I'm having doubts. Yeah, I don't feel confident that these are real because it doesn't have the stamps in the box. Even though the shoe is real, the box is not real. Well, I don't know. I can't tell if it's real. It doesn't have the numbers, you know. I feel a little concerned. I feel worried. Man, I don't know. Like they just look a little off to me.